This is the Urban Decay All Nighter, and it's a setting spray, and it works awesome. All you have to do is shake, 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 just like that. And then there's a spray. You hold it about 6 to 8 inches away from your face. Now, they also say to make sure your eyes are closed and your mouth is closed as well. And they want you to do it at least 10 times. Here I go, I'm gonna shake it again. And it's a super fine mist. And this will help my makeup to stay nice and in place for up to 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching, and there's my husband. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.